hate going to the gym, but I have to. What do you mean you have to? Well, it's called discipline. I go there because I know that I have to build a strong body, because I believe that strong body equals strong mind. I have to look certain way because I'm a man. I'm not a fucking dork. I don't want to be some fat soul that looks like shit that nobody respects, and so on. I go there because I'm disciplined enough to understand those things. And you, on the other hand, that you seek for motivation, but you don't find it, and you can't get yourself to actually do it. Stay in the hole that you came from and shut up. I don't want to even talk with people like this. Motivation doesn't exist. Motivation is the biggest pile of dog shit there is. You shouldn't be motivated about anything in life. You either want it or you don't.